I'm Brian Van from sportbiketrackgear.com. Today we're going to do a video review on another great short cuff glove from our friends at RS Taichi. This is the High Protection RST 387. This is really more of a 3/4 length glove, I think, when you take a look at it, okay? All leather construction, tons of protection built into this. It's comfortable. As far as sizing goes, I've got on a 2X. That's my normal size. They fit and feel great. Very little break-in would be required. Okay, so I think the sizing for these is very consistent. If you're normally a large, order a large. I think you're going to get a good fit with these. Let's detail some of the features. Lots of pre-curve into this glove. You can see here the way the fingers roll over. I'm not doing anything to influence that right now. Definitely more of a sport bike style glove. In terms of protection, there is a ton. We've got this split knuckle protector here. It's kind of a medium density plastic, right? Okay, so it is a bit moldable, it's comfortable. The reason they use the split is when you make a fist, this can bend like so, okay? Just keeps it more comfortable. They've also used the tunnel system. When you use the tunnel, when you make a fist like so, you can see that the tunnel clearly just allows the glove to move comfortably instead of pulling on the entire glove. Keeps it much more comfortable. For back of the hand protection, they've got this nice rubberized piece they've stitched in behind the knuckle protector and on top of the back of the hand. And once again, that's floating, and that's for additional comfort so it can move. While we're in that area, we'll fold that over. You can take a look at that nice perforated panel. There's a lot of provision for cooling built into this glove. Got kind of an embossed detail here. Neoprene cuff. Single stage Velcro closure. It's come to the palm and the side of the wrist. They've chosen carbon fiber protectors here. This particular one, you can see once again it's floating for comfort. This is going to protect the side of your wrist. This one on the palm, this palm slider here, is really there so that if you put your hands out and you fall, and instinctively most of us, if we fall, you go to brace yourself, right? Something like this carbon, right, has a real low coefficient for it. It just slides real easy, okay? Where the leather can be more grippy and grab. If it's grippy and it grabs, it can transmit a bunch of energy to your wrist, to your shoulder. It can also grip and send you tumbling. The carbon slides easy. You put your hand out, it kind of comes out from underneath you, protects the glove, and it helps protect you. Additional overlays here, some energy absorbing foam stitched in behind it for more protection. We've got an overlay here in the high wear area, across the palm, over through the thumb. We've got a combination of internal and external seams. External seams are more comfortable. Internal seams are used in the high impact and abrasion areas as they hold up a little bit better in a wreck. So you see the internal here, and then of course here into the thumb. Perforation, bottom of all the fingers. Perforation in the leather in between each of the fingers to drive a bunch of air into the gloves to keep you as cool as possible. Stitched in between the multiple layers of leather, we've got some plastic protectors here for the knuckles, right? Accordion panels in all the right places. Cool RS Taichi logo screen printed here. On the thumb, we've got some energy absorbing foam here. Protector stitched in, and you can see here they use that kind of tunnel system like we've shown you here on the knuckles to keep it comfortable in that area. All in all, this is a really nice pair of short gloves. Highly recommended, okay? They're worth the money. They're a little to the expensive side for a short cuff glove, but you're getting a ton of protection, a ton of quality, and a ton of comfort. These are the High Protection Short Cuff Leather Gloves, RST 387 from sportbiketrackgear.com.